Welcome. In this video I'll show you the unboxing of the Nike Air Force 1 07 shoes that were drawn in the sneakers app, and we will check the boxes and the shoes carefully. Maybe it will be useful for some of you for a legit check. So just check it out how it looks. So here we can find an opening. And of course inside we can find another box. And as you can see, it's a little bit broken, unfortunately, and that's how it looks. Okay, so let's take a look inside. And they come in the pink colorway. And that's how the shoes looks. Okay, there's the left one. Let's go for the right one. It's a little bit dirty right here. Have a nice day, right? So yeah, that's how the shoe looks, and I hope that video will help you with a legit check or something like that, or if you are interested in just how the unboxing looks of this shoe. And that's it. So guys, if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel. See ya.